Hey everyone! Today, let's learn how to use these cords to create an anti-loss solution for your keychains. Many have noticed their Labubus easily go missing. Often people return to find only the empty spring ring. This is because the spring rings can loosen, causing the Labubu to slip right off. You can use these cords, typically designed to protect charging cables, wrap it around the spring ring. The cord and the metal also create friction. This stops it from shifting and keeps your Labubu from falling off. This way, you can protect your little Labubu very well. So let's get started. First, cut a piece of cord about 14 centimeters or 5.5 inches long. Start wrapping from the end of the spring ring. This method is a bit faster. When you're almost at the end of the spring ring, attach it to your bag and continue wrapping. These steps require a bit of patience, so wrap it slowly. Once wrapped, just cut off any excess length. And that's it, you're done. This is the full wrap method. For those who don't have much patience, you can choose the half wrap method. As long as you cover the opening, it achieves the same effect. From now on, you'll never have to worry about losing your Labubu again. Super secure! Everyone, go give it a try.